Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing a tool haul that I got from walmart.com. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I had a video on this specifically. It was an unboxing. We took it out of the packaging and everything. But there was no audio, so I have to do the video over again. So this is the 112 decimal kit that I got. And let's see. So it came with everything right here. It came with some hardware. I believe it's this one. What's the other one? Yeah, so it came with some hardware. It came with the kind of square head, just bolts. Also came with, looks like one regular 8.8 hardness bolt. A couple little plastic mounts. Came with a compressor, some line. I already cut the line for the Y. I already had all of these mocked up and I was testing them. It came with this relay. It's kind of a cheap relay. The prongs are kind of bent. Not really sure how well it's going to work, but it also stinks. Chinesium. The only thing I did keep out of the whole thing was this little booklet and the little outline piece, because I wanted it for some information for the future. But it's just going to be a quick look video. It's got both a long trumpet, a short trumpet for the different tones to make up the tone that you're trying to get. It is 12 volt dual trumpet air horn. It's made by Zone Tech. Says on the front, loud, powerful, premium quality, versatile. This has wiring schematics in it. Pretty simple. I'll probably be doing a video on wiring it up. We're going to be using the previous video I did on this waterproof, weatherproof relay pigtail. And we'll go from there. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.